Archicad by Onzislas Muchalwa. Archicad, we use Archicad to draw plans of the house. So when you want to draw in Archicad, you set. So setting, what you will do, utaenda kwa option, utaenda kwa create new project. So create new project and you say utaenda kwa last profile used, utaenda kwa default profile. After that you will say new, you will click new. After clicking new, you will wait for the for your to continue like that. After that you will start setting the utaenda option. After option utaenda preference utaenda working units. Kwa working units, what you will do, utasema yes, and you say thou engineers use millimeters, and you say okay. You will repeat to click on the options and you go to preference, project preference, and useme dimensions. You will say thou engineers use plain millimeters. That is how we set the Archicad. So after that you will say okay. Those lines, the 4 lines are called markers. So you will make sure you draw your project inside the markers. So inside the markers you will start by drawing like this, and you look kama unataka 20,000 millimeters, kama unataka nini, hiyo ni yako. So I'll just draw a sketch. That sketch I'll draw like this, like this. Itakuja tu na angle correctly, na the project nitaichora like that. After that I'll cut the partitions. The partitions I'll cut like this. That's how engineers do their work. After that I'll cut like this, the way I want to cut, like that. After that I'll look my project in 3D, because now it is in ground floor, but in 3D it will look like that. Yani, I mean from the ground to the wall plate. So I'll change to ground floor, and I cut like this, because I sikuhitaji rectangle ama what. I'll cut like this, and that's my house. I check. Yeah, that's what I wanted. After that I'll go to put there a slab. Kuifanya nitaenda kwa slab tool, ndio hiyo yenye nina click hapo. Kwa slab tool nita click like this. After that I'll click here. After this one is for the korofas, nitaenda kwa ile ya kawaida. I'll change to 150. That slab to 150. Here I'll change to black. where I say okay. Kuweka slab nitakuja hapa, click kwa hii kona hivyo hivyo. Kuweka slab nitafanya hivyo, very simple. Kuweka slab also I'll do like this, very simple. Nikimaliza I'll go to opit. Hii opit opit. After that acha niangalie. After that I'll now do what? After that wacha niangalie vizuri design. Sign documents. After that, now I'll look the house in this. After that, in 3D. After that, to check if my slab is okay, I'll go to opit. So opit, I'll do like this. That's how engineers maneuvers their projects. And then I'll return it back here and to the ground floor. After returning it to the ground floor, what I'll do, I will say I want to put there doors. So doors, I'll go to design. Design, I'll look for door tool. Door tool, I can select any door. So this one I have decided to select this one. I say okay. So door tawekea tu mahali popote because hivyo tu. Alafu I'll change the door. The door ta change hivyo, nitasema okay. The inside nita change hivyo. Nikiangalia hivyo nita change hivyo. Hivyo tu nikichange hivyo. Na I'll also, if I want to cut here, I'll just say do like this, and hiyo itakuja hivyo. Ikisha kuja hivyo, I'll look it at 3D. Tapata doors ziko. As nikipata doors ziko sitaweka zote, bora tu ni kuonyesha. If the doors ziko, I'll change it to ground floor. After that, I'll select window tool. Window tool, nitachukua hii na niseme okay. Okay, and I'll say thou engineers, thou windows open outside. Thou windows open outside. Thou windows open outside. The windows open outside. The windows open outside. The windows niki open to outside hivyo. The windows open outside. The windows open outside. Mpaka vile nitaimaliza. After that nitaiangalia kwa 3D. 3D nitapata kama nimeweka ma windows enough. na nitaenda kwa opit hapa, nita click iwe active na nitaiangalia. Nitaangalia kanyumba kangu, nitaangalia my project, hivyo tu. That's how engineers maneuvers their projects. After that, I'll return this to ground floor. Ground floor, I'll say now I'm lacking on my project, I'm lacking a roof. So I look a roof tool, and I'll look it and change this one, because this one is for the ghorofa. I'll change it here, and here nitasema 150. I'll pack space and write there 150. After writing 150, this angle I'll change it, because the house ni normal two house. I'll wrap and say I put there 23 instead of the 45, because the 45 will make the house to be long, too tall, like the graph, which is a mistake in building, according to my client. Not in building, but according to my client. So here I'll go to override surfaces. So I'll click this to make this active. So after this active, nitakubali kama ni French. Nikitaka kuchange to green, nita click there. This one ita remain hivyo, cause ita remain tu hivyo, na hii ndio I'll make sure I change this one to glossy fresher board iwe glossy white, and I say okay. So I start putting on my house a roof like this, like that, like this, like this, like this, like that, like this, like this, like that, like this, like this, like that. That is the roof. If I change from the ground floor to 3D, you'll see something like that. That's my house. After doing this, I'll save my house. After saving, I'll come here and say click here to get the A3 landscape. Hiyo ndio karatasi yenye nitaweka. Nitafanya hivi and I'll open it. On this A3 landscape or hii karatasi ya A3, unaweka hapo sectioning ya hiyo nyumba ya the project, unaweka dimensions, you make sure dimension, you activate your dimension on the PC. After that you make sure dimension iko correct, sectioning iko correct. After that you will print your knee and utoe hapo 5 copies, unapeleka kwa fiscal planning. After fiscal planning kwa approve, unapeleka kwa health, wana approve. Ukisha approve kwa health, unapeleka kwa public service, waki approve. Now the house is ready to be built on the client's land. I think you have enjoyed my topic today. That is Archicad. Thank you.